Hello, good afternoon all of you. Good afternoon guys. I welcome all of you in India's largest live learning platform, that is Gradeup guys. Good afternoon all of you. Good afternoon. You guys are welcome on India's largest live learning platform, that is Gradeup. First of all guys, just let me know that is audio video clear. Quickly let me know that is audio video clear. Quickly please let me know that is audio video clear guys. Quickly let me know is audio video clear. I'm waiting for your comment guys. I'm waiting for your comment. Please let me know guys, is audio video clear. So in this series guys, in this marathon series, first class was taken by Krishna sir. Very wonderful session, very enlightenment session. And then thereafter Ansari sir has taken the class for you guys. And today I'm coming over here with a session on BMC. Yesterday Ansari sir has solved beautiful questions for you on surveying, right? So guys, just quickly let me know that is audio video clear. Is audio video clear guys? Just quickly let me know that. Is audio video clear? So guys, everything is fine, right? Okay, yes, fine, good. Now let us start the session. Are you guys ready for the session? So let us start the session. Let us start solving the questions. So the first question, before that let me introduce you about myself guys. I'm Ankit Sharma. I'm an ex-IAS officer having more than 12 years of teaching experience. So having more than 12 years of teaching experience. Okay, thank you Vamshiji, thank you. Further, these are our vision batches going on guys. This is the right and appropriate time to get enrolled into these batches. Right and appropriate time to get enrolled in these batches guys. What do we offer in these batches? That you should be aware about at first. See, basically you will be getting live classes, near about 800 live classes, near about 1000 hours of live classes. Basically this course will be for the current year. These two courses will be for current year, and this one is for second year and third year students. And guys, more than 8000 practice questions we bring for you, and 120 plus mock test and study notes also. So guys, this is on the table for you guys. Now to get enrolled into these batches, what do you have to do? You have to opt for Gradeup Super. Agreed? And if you have any difficulty in opting for Gradeup Super, you can call on this number 9650052904. You can call on this number. Agreed? Clear? Further, now basically this is our group of faculties. Now this is our champion study plan guys. Just in coming days, after 1 or 2 days, like tomorrow, yes, tomorrow I have a class on champion study plan. I am starting with champion study plan. Agreed? Further, these are our exams going on for you guys. Which are live right now, so you can attempt these exams. This exam can be attempted, this one, and this one will be live on 29th. Agreed? This one will be live on 29th, that is tomorrow. This paper will be live, so do attempt it in the maximum number. Further, this is the question guys. So what will be the answer to this question? That specific gravity of commonly available Portland cement is. What is the answer? Specific gravity of commonly available Portland cement is. Basically they are asking in terms of OPC. So what will be the answer in this case? Please let me know answer in the comment box guys. And you can only do the comment if you have subscribed our channel. Then only you can do the comment. Then only you can comment over here. So please give me answer to this question. What will be answer to this question? Very good. That is 3.15. So answer is 3.15. Very good guys. Next guys, I have brought near 50 questions, exactly to be precise. These are 51 questions, and the number of minutes or hours which are taken, I'll complete this and then only we'll close the session, not before that. Good afternoon, Kavya ji. Good afternoon. Agreed. So the density of cement is taken to be 51 questions are there and those are sufficient. More weightage is given to cement and concrete, and the most important questions of timber and brick I have brought. Agreed? Clear. So what is the answer? The density of cement is to be taken as what? Answer will be C. C, right? Answer will be C. Very good everyone, very good. Further, let us move to the next question. This one. One bag of Portland cement has 50 kg of weight. Then basically what will be the volume, bulk volume? How much will be the bulk volume? 50 kg. So guys, we can solve this. Basically we know that gamma is equal to how much? Weight by volume, and gamma is how much? 1440. That was in the previous question, right? 1440 kg per m cube. Kg per m cube. So weight is how much? 50 kg. Volume. So volume will be equal to 50 divided by 1440. So this comes out to be 0.034 something. Agreed? And the next digit is more than 5. It is more than 5. So basically it becomes how much? 35 liters. 35 liters. Yes, everyone. It is not 30 liter. Harshita ji, it is not 30 liters. It is 35 liters. Agreed? And this is the logic behind it. This is the reason behind it. Very good. Good guys, good. Next. This one. The temperature range in the cement kiln. The temperature range in the cement kiln. How much? How much is the temperature range in the cement kiln? In the cement kiln. Can you please let me know? Very good. That is nearly about 1400 degrees Celsius to 1500 degrees Celsius. Right? And we remember, or I remember exactly, then average value, that is 450 degrees Celsius. 450 degrees Celsius. This is in case of OPC, guys. This is in case of OPC. If we go in case of high alumina cement, then it is a little bit on the higher side, and that becomes 550 degrees Celsius. That becomes 550 degrees Celsius, right? So over here, basically, generally, if nothing is mentioned, it is being asked for OPC. So answer will be what? Answer will be option C. Agreed? Answer will be option C. What next chapter engineering, what you are telling? 900 alumina, add 900. I am not getting you. For alumina cement, it is 550 degrees Celsius. For alumina cement, it is 550 degrees Celsius, not 900. For alumina cement, the temperature is more. It is more, right? Agreed? Clear? Sir, if alumina added 900, I am not getting you. In case of alumina cement, basically alumina is not added. The composition is different in case of alumina cement. The composition is altogether different in case of alumina cement. That has bauxite and lime available. In case of alumina cement, we don't have the raw material same as basically our OPC. In OPC, it is calcareous and argillaceous material. Argillaceous is basically the siliceous and calcareous is the compound of calcium. And then we fuse it and burn it. Right? In case of alumina cement, it is bauxite and lime. Agreed? Bauxite is an ore of alumina. You must be aware about it. During childhood, we have studied all this. Further, next, this one. Main oxides present in OPC are calcium oxide, alumina oxide, silica oxide, ferric oxide. Identify the correct ascending order of their proportions. in the typical composition of OPC? Can you elaborate? Next chapter, engineering. Can you please elaborate what you are writing in one comment rather than breaking your comment? Please, can you write it in one comment in an elaborative way so that I will be in better position to understand it? Right? What is the answer? What is the answer? See, first one, Kashifal. So CaOSiO2, right? And then Al2O3. And then Fe2O3, right? So this is the order. This is the order. Can you guys let me know how much is calcium approximately? Can you guys let me know how much is calcium oxide approximately? How much is calcium oxide approximately? See, this is the order. Hello, Shantnuji. Apart from this, can you tell me their independent proportions? See, we got the answer. We got the answer. Our answer is option C. Our answer is option C. Right. But can you tell me how much it is? See, basically, this one, approximately it is 60%. I am not giving you the exact value. Approximately it is 60%. Right. Further, divided by 3, it will be approximately 20%. So, I have divided it by 3. So, for next, what I will do? I will divide it by 4. I will divide it by 4. One larger number, one successor number. So it will become how much? 5%. And this is nearly about 3 to 4%. Agreed? 3 to 4%. So this is also the way to remember things. This is also the way to remember things. Is it good? Did you like this technique? Did you like this technique? See, I am telling you the approximate values. I am telling you the approximate values. Shahidji, these are approximate values. I gave you a technique to remember them. Now, basically, you have the closer values and now you can manipulate and easily remember them. Now you can manipulate and easily remember them. Right? This is a way to remember it. Now I can remember, okay, fine, this is 60%, so it will be near about 60 to 65. It will be near about 18 to 23%. Agreed? I gave you an average value. Near about these values will be. See, our work is done easier. By remembering it like this, my job is easier to reproduce in the exam, right? Because in exam, we have to reproduce lot of data. And during that reproduction of lot of data, what happens? There is a lot of confusion. So we require lot of mnemonics. Lot of mnemonics are also required by us. Agreed? Further, next. This one. Tricalcium silicate, it is C3S. Dicalcium silicate, it is C2S. Tricalcium aluminate, it is C3A. Tetracalcium aluminum fluoride, C4AF. Right. So in this order only they are present. In this order only they are present. In the same order they are present. That is their order. They are present. These are the Box compound, right? So basically it is the highest one. So for A it will be 2. For B it will be 1. For C it will be 4. For D it will be 3. So 2, 1, 4, 3. So answer will be what? Option C. 2, 1, 4, 3. Answer will be option C. Right? You can just remember it like this. Basically this is the order in which they are present. This is the decreasing order. C3S is on higher side, then lesser than it, C2S, then lesser than it, C3A, and the least one is C4AF. Least one is C4AF. Agreed? Very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. Very good. Next. This one. This one. Which of the following shows the correct decreasing order of the rate of hydration of Portland cement compounds? Guys, the question is about the rate of hydration. The question is about the rate of hydration, right? So whose rate of hydration is on the higher side? Is it C3A or C4AF? Generally students are confused over here. Students are confused over here. Whose rate is basically on the higher side? C3A or C4AF? Let me know. Let me know. Answer will be, somebody is telling, Ved Prakash ji is telling A. Answer is D, Delhi. Answer is Delhi. See, C3A is fastest to react with water. C3A is fastest to react with water. But the rate of hydration is highest. Okay, the rate of hydration is highest for C4AF. These are two different things. These are two different things. That is fastest to react. This has the highest rate of hydration. The speed is highest. Right. Agreed. So answer is what? D. Delhi. Delhi. Praveen ji, it's Delhi. Shruti ji, it's Delhi. Delhi. C3A is fastest to react. But the rate of hydration is the highest for C4AF. Now guys, if I have to arrange C3A, C4AF, C3S and C2S, what is their heat of hydration? What are their heat of hydration? Yes, next chapter ji, you are absolutely right. So what is their heat of hydration? What is their heat of hydration? Can you just let me know? The first one. The first one. The first one, C3A. Please let me know how much it will be. Guys, it is nearly about 840 or 860 joules per gram. Right? Exactly it is 860, but I remember it as 840. I remember it as 840. Then half of it, 420 over here, joules per gram. Right? This is the total heat of hydration. This is the total heat of hydration. And this one is 500 joules per gram. And again, this one is half of it, 250 joules per gram. And if I am not mistaken, this is not exactly 250, it is exactly either 240 or 260. 240 or 260. But this is my way of remembering things which I am sharing with you. These are my way of remembering things which I am sharing with you. These are my tips and tricks which I am giving to you. I also use the same tricks when somebody ask me about what is the heat of hydration, then I also remember it like this, and then basically I am just sharing with you. How do I reproduce the answer? Agreed? Cool. Shall we move to the next question? Shall we move to the next question, guys? Good, good. Are you liking the session? Are you liking the session? Then please do hit the like button. Please do hit the like button. Thank you, Harshita ji. Thank you. Please do hit the like button. Yes, next chapter ji, definitely. Thank you. Now, this is the question. Hardening of cement occurs. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Hardening of cement occurs at rapid rate during the first few days, and afterward it continues to increase at a decreasing rate. Slow rate during the first few days, uniform rate throughout its age. So guys, this one is absolutely wrong. See, while reading the question, we can eliminate certain options which are not true. We can eliminate certain options which are not true. Agreed? So what will be the answer? A, because C3S is responsible for early strength, and C2S is responsible for ultimate strength. ultimate strength. So strength definitely will be on the increasing side. Continuously strength will be on the increasing side. Initially the rate of gain of strength is higher due to C3S, and later as the time passes by, the slope decreases, but ultimately it is increasing. The slope decreases, but ultimately it is what? Increasing. Agreed, right? If you see the curve, then basically if I draw the curve, this will be somewhere around of C3S, right? For C3S. Now for C2S, if I draw, it will be somewhat like this. And for, I am not remembering exactly, for your C3A and C4AF, it is like this. C4AF is poor cementing material. That is the poorest cementing material. Agreed? That's why the answer is what? A. That is the reason for the answer is A. Next, this one. What is the percentage requirement of water expressed as percentage of cement weight by weight for completion of chemical reaction in the process of hydration of OPC? Now guys, over here we have to just take care about one thing, what they are asking. Are they asking the chemical reaction, or are they asking the complete water requirement? Over here they are asking for what? Chemical reaction. Over here they are asking about the chemical reaction, right? So that is how much? Basically the water requirement, complete water requirement is divided into two parts. One is chemical requirement and another is gel water. Chemical requirement is 23% and gel water is 15%. So altogether it is 38%, but over here it is only asked for chemical reaction. So answer will be C. Agreed? Answer will be C. क्या हो गया बाबूजी, विनय AEJE में जा रहे हो ज्यादा, मतलब आई एम नॉट गेटिंग यू. ये क्या लड़ाई चल रही है आप दोनों में? चलिए नेक्स्ट, this one, hydration of cement is due to chemical action of water with. Hydration of cement is due to chemical action of water with tricalcium silicate and dicalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate and tricalcium aluminate, tricalcium aluminate and dicalcium aluminoferrite, and all the options are correct. What will be the answer? Hydration of cement is due to chemical action of water with. So what will be the answer? Shahid ji is telling C. Amit ji is telling A. Harshita ji is telling C. Rahul ji is telling D. Ved Prakash ji D. All of the above. Vinay ji, all of the above. C. Sorry Amit ji. Okay. Your sorry is accepted and rejected, brother. Amit ji, your sorry is accepted and rejected both. Guys, answer will be, all the options are correct. See, in the hydration of cement, all of them, C3S, C2S, C3A, C4AF, all are supposed to react with water. Right? See, you are telling option C that only these two will react with water. If these two don't react with water, how you will get strength? Right? How you will get strength? Guys, so please read the question. इज्जत given to the question is directly proportional to इज्जत received. Do you believe in this law? बोलिए साहब. इज्जत given to the question is directly proportional to इज्जत received, right? So you guys have to respect the questions. Next, please solve this one. हाँ बिल्कुल विनय जी, कोई पहले करेगा कोई बाद में करेगा, बट रिएक्ट तो सभी करेंगे भाई. शादी में जितने आते हैं ना, सब खाना खा के जाते हैं, बुराई करने वाला भी और ना बुराई करने वाला भी, राइट? थैंक यू. Please go for this. Please go for this. Complete hydration. I have already told the answer is C. The answer is C. इस बात से एग्री कर रहे हो? जो बुराई करने वाला है ना, वो भी खाना खा के जाता है. तो ये सब शादी में आए थे, हाइड्रेशन की शादी में, सीमेंट और पानी की शादी में आए थे, जिसको नाम दे दिया गया हाइड्रेशन, राइट? नेक्स्ट. Now, do you want me to translate this into English? Some of you want me to translate this into English or what? Don't tell me that, guys. Don't tell me that. फूफा जी की शादी नहीं थी बाबूजी, फूफा जी की शादी नहीं थी साहब. ठीक है, ऐसा ना बोलो कि साहब अभद्र लगे. पानी और सीमेंट की शादी थी, राइट? चलिए नेक्स्ट. व्हाट हर्षिता जी, शुड आई ट्रांसलेट दिस? ओ माय गॉड, नो शांतनु जी, आई एम वेरी सॉरी. चलिए ट्वेल्थ आंसर दिस. What will be the answer? One only. Ravi ji is telling one only. Are you sure about this, Ravi ji? Are you sure about this? One only. Why one only? See, water causes hydration. Definitely. Water is causing the hydration. The reaction between the cement and water takes place. That is called as hydration. Right? That is called as hydration. And basically when the hydration takes place, the compounds get broken into simpler compounds. Compounds get broken into simpler compounds, which process is called as hydrolysis. That process is called as hydrolysis. So what will be the answer? C. Yes. See, the reaction is called as hydrolysis, hydration. And after reaction, the compounds which are formed, that process is called as hydrolysis. Because during the process of hydrolysis, the complex compounds are being broken down into simpler compounds. The complex compounds are being broken down into simpler compounds. That process is called as hydrolysis. Is it clear now? Good. Next. Good. Please go for this. 13th. Cement is acting as a binder. Shahid ji, what is ettringite? What is ettringite? Brother, don't use such words. Don't use such words, ettringite and all that. These are all of no use. Calcium aluminosulfate is ettringite. That is altogether different. That is a complex compound, right? Don't get into all this. So what is the answer? C. What is the answer? C. Basically, we need to determine the water cement ratio. So weight of water 950 minus 1500 divided by the weight of cement, that is 1500. So 450 by 1500 into 100. So that will be how much? 30%. 30%. Agreed? Next question. Next question. Next question. Please answer this one. Please answer this one. Question number 14th. Guys, I'm waiting for your answer. Next chapter is telling C. Shahid ji is telling A. Incorrect statement. Guys, it is written over here, one should feel warm. This is wrong. Rather, one should feel what? Cool. Dermi cool. It's like cool, dermi cool, right? Further, color of cement is grey. No, it is greenish grey. Greenish grey. Agreed? Should sink immediately? No. No. It should float for some time. For some time. And then sink. And then sink. A इनकरेक्ट. वैसे सी में लिखा होना चाहिए समटाइम्स फ्लोट फिर सिंक होना चाहिए. यस, एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली. किस नोट्स में था साहब? नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जी किस नोट्स में था? किस नोट्स में था साहब? नोट्स कौन से? मेरे नोट्स में था. मेरे नोट्स में था. No, then correct it. If it is written in the book that it is gray, that is absolutely wrong. It is greenish gray. Standard books treat it as greenish gray. नहीं होगा साहब. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जी नहीं होगा. इट इज ग्रीनिश ग्रे. साहब गीता पे हाथ रख के कसम खा सकता हूं ग्रीनिश ग्रे है. राइट. गीता पे हाथ रख के कसम खा सकता हूं ग्रीनिश ग्रे है. चलिए, अगर फाइननेस इंक्रीज कर देते हैं देन व्हाट हैपेंस? रिड्यूसेस द रेट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ डेवलपमेंट एंड लीड्स टू हायर श्रिंकेज. सी, इट लीड्स टू हायर श्रिंकेज, दैट इज फॉर श्योर, बट इट डज नॉट रिड्यूसेस द रेट ऑफ, रादर इट इंक्रीजेस. मोर फाइन इज द सीमेंट, more fast is the reaction. More fine is the cement, more fast is the reaction. And if more fast is the reaction, more is the rate of strength development. Right? चलिए चलिए फर्दर. देखो, झूठ बोलता हूं बट इतना नहीं साहब कि यूट्यूब पे आप लोगों के साथ झूठ बोलने लगो. मुझसे ये जरूर सुन लोगे कि मुझे नहीं आता, ठीक है, बट सफेद झूठ नहीं बोलता मैं और फट्टेबाजी नहीं करता. अब देखो साहब, 12 साल हो गए पढ़ाते पढ़ाते, ठीक है, तो ईएस भी निकल चुका है. अब फट्टेबाजी करके साहब किसको कन्विंस करना है? लगभग 1.5-2 घंटे. राइट. अब किसी को कन्विंस तो करना नहीं है. तो कॉलेज के जो पाप थे वो ईएस से धुल गए. कॉलेज के जो पाप थे वो ईएस से धुल गए। क्लियर? चलिए नेक्स्ट। जब खत्म हो जाए, विनय जी जब खत्म हो जाए, बाबूजी जब खत्म हो जाए, चाहे 1 घंटे में हो जाए, चाहे 2 घंटा, चाहे 3 घंटा, चाहे 4 घंटा, आई एम नॉट कीपिंग एनी लिमिट ऑन इट। चलिए नेक्स्ट। फर्दर क्या होगा? इंक्रीजिंग द रेट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ डेवलपमेंट रिड्यूसेस द रेट ऑफ डेटोरिएशन। नो, फाइनर सीमेंट मोर इज द रेट ऑफ डेटोरिएशन। फाइनर सीमेंट मोर इज द रेट ऑफ डेटोरिएशन, सो ये रिड्यूसेस नहीं होगा। फर्दर decreases the rate of strength development and increases the bleeding of cement. No guys, it increases the rate of strength development and it reduces the bleeding, because finer is the cement, less is the water wasted, right? Increase the rate of strength development and leads to higher shrinkage. Yes, answer will be D. Answer will be D, because finer is the cement, more water will react. Water will react faster with the cement. So faster it reacts, more is the heat of hydration, and if more is the heat of hydration, more is the drying shrinkage. Over here, this will be shrinkage, and this will be called as drying shrinkage. There are different kinds of shrinkage. This will be called as drying shrinkage. Deterioration. See, what do I mean by deterioration? Like basically, do you know maida? Rathod ji, do you know maida? Do you know dalia? I'm going to tell you a very nice explanation on this. Do you know maida and dalia? Okay, you want me to explain it in Hindi? ठीक है, I'll explain it in both language. Do you know maida and dalia? Do you know flour, atta? Do you know flour, atta? विनय जी उसके कारण अलग है, आरएचसी के कारण अलग है। Yes, Harshita ji, don't worry. I'll explain in English also. Now, basically, you know what is the raw material for dalia? What is the raw material for maida? And what is the raw material for flour? That is the atta. You know the raw material is same. The raw material is same for all of them, and that is what? Wheat, gehu. When you grind wheat on a lesser side, मतलब अगर कम grinding करोगे, then it is called as dalia. When you grind it finer, ठीक है, और ज्यादा ग्राइंड करोगे, then it is called as atta. When you grind it finest, then it is called as maida. And people tell that कि wheat is good for health and maida is bad for health. So beyond a certain grinding, what happens? The deterioration start. Right? The deterioration starts. And basically, when we grind cement even finer, 2250 gram per kg per meter square, 3000, 3250, these are the values. So when we grind OPC even finer, what happens? Basically, that is more prone to react with the atmospheric moisture, and basically it is more prone to react with the atmospheric oxygen and the air. So when it reacts with the air, what happens? Basically the lime which is present over there, that further dissociates. Agreed? That's the point. Yes, everybody got it? Clear? Next. Praveen ji, did you get it? Harshita ji, did you get it? Praveen ji, did you understood it? And Harshita ji, did you get it? I guess the language was not an issue for both of you. Welcome. Harshita ji, you also understood? चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 16। आप लोग साहब अपना वार्तालाप बंद करिए। रवि जी पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो, वार्तालाप ना करो। चलिए गो फॉर दिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, द परसेंटेज ऑफ वाटर फॉर नॉर्मल कंसिस्टेंसी। दिस इज ए फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन गाइस। दिस इज आंसर इज डी। डी, इट्स ए फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन, आंसर इज डी। Okay, Harshita ji, thank you. Thank you for your reply. If P is the percentage of water required for determination of normal consistency, then the percentage of water required to be added for determination of initial setting time is. So basically for initial and final setting time both, how much water is required? For initial and final setting time both, how much water is required? How much water is required? That is 0.85 P. It is standard. That is 0.85 P. It is standard. Very good everyone. Very good. Next question, this one. The center needle of the attachment of Wicket's plunger projects the circular ring edge by. See, this is circular cutting edge, right? They are talking about the collar. They are talking about the collar like this. Like this. This is the collar whose diameter is how much? This dia is 5 mm, circular 5 mm. Now this is the edge coming out. I am drawing an exaggerated view. This is 0.5 mm. This is 0.5 mm. Mridul ji, see, it's not about SSC or it's not about any exam. You know, BMC is same for every exam. BMC is same for every exam. So it's not about SSC or any exam. Right? If you see the level of BMC, then in every exam that is same, whether it is engineering services or whether it is AEJE, any exam. Yes, so answer will be Bombay. Bombay. 1 mm square is something different. 1 mm square is the size of the needle. This is 1 mm by 1 mm. मुझे ग्रेडअप में कैसे फॉलो करें? You can join my telegram. मंडल जी प्रणाम. You can join my telegram, that is civil by Ankit sir. You can join my telegram. Civil by Ankit sir. Next. Amit ji, basically 3 marks question. Every question will not be appropriate to 3 marks. Right? Certain questions will be lengthy and certain questions will be shorter. If BMC is in the syllabus, what numerical you will ask in BMC? What numerical you will ask in BMC? Right? So don't think that way. Just concentrate on the question, brother. So quick setting cement, Delhi. Quick setting cement, Delhi. I will form a numerical in this. Quick setting cement has initial setting time of 5 minutes. Then I will ask, what is the square of the ratio of final setting time by initial setting time of quick setting cement? Right? Next time I will frame a question like this. What is the square of the ratio of final setting time and initial setting time of quick setting cement? Right? Shall I form question like this? See, these type of questions will not be asked. Right? So don't worry. Amit ji, don't worry. Brother, don't worry. Whatever I am solving, the day you will give your paper, you will remember me. Don't worry, brother. The day you will give your paper, you will remember me. So many of you have followed me before the ESC prelims. And during ESC prelims, they got the same questions from the sessions which I took. Absolutely same questions. And some of you might be basically witness of it. Am I right or wrong? Some of you might be witness of it. Some of you have followed me since the starting. And during ESC prelims, they must have noted that, yes, the questions which I taught in the class, in the session, the same questions were asked. Sure. Next. This one. Definitely. Amit ji. Good one. Next one. The proper size of the cube mold for testing compressive strength of cement is 15 centimeter, right? Sure. Amit ji, my responsibility is to clear your doubts and misconception also. As being a senior teacher, my responsibility is to clear your misconception also. Okay, you are searching on Gradeup app, right? You are searching on Gradeup app. You can search on Telegram Civil by Ankit sir. Answer is what? A. 5000 mm square is the surface area. Sure, Mridul ji. Right now I am planning for theodolite again, and I am planning for your photogrammetry as you guys wanted it. How many of you want me to teach photogrammetry and theodolite in English again? How many of you want me to teach theodolite in English again and photogrammetry? अरे भाई सिविल बाय अंकित सर चेक कर लो, बहुत आसानी से मिल जाएगा. श्योर. नेक्स्ट compressive strength of OPC 33 after 3 days. Are you guys aware about it? Okay, compass. Sure. Ravi ji, sure. So, compressive strength of OPC after 3 days. So, for 3 days, it is half of 28. For 7 days, it is approximately 2/3 of. Two-third of 28 days. Right? So answer will be what? OPC 33. 3 days, half. Nearly 16. Clear? Chaliye, next question. Sani ji, I used to teach. If you want, I can teach. See, I can teach almost every subject. So guys, this question is something new for you. Good afternoon, Masoor ji. This question is something new for you. See, after this 1982, we have couple of revisions. One was in 2009 and if I am not wrong, 2019. 10262. This is the code for mixed design. A, B, C, D, E and F. Like this, the cements were classified in this 32.5 to 37.5. Right? 37.5 to 42.5. 42.5 to 47.5, 47.5 to 52.5, 52.5 to 57.5, 57.5 to 62.5, all in MPa or Newton per mm square. So answer will be what? C. Answer will be C. ठीक है तिवारी जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बता दीजिएगा साहब, तिवारी जी बता दीजिएगा क्या हिंदी में बोलना है, बोल देंगे साहब, कोई कष्ट नहीं है। अंग्रेजी चैनल है इसलिए मेरी मजबूरी है अंग्रेजी बोलना। इट्स एन इंग्लिश चैनल, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कंपल्सरी फॉर मी टू, ठीक है, इंग्लिश। यस, you have to start from 32.5 and add 55 to it. Agreed? Next question. Next question. Oleic acid. With the help of oleic acid, what do we do? With the help of oleic acid, what do we do? We manufacture hydrophobic cement, guys. We manufacture hydrophobic cement. We manufacture hydrophobic cement. Good one. Next, this one, very easy, very easy. See, for 43 28 days strength, so it will be 43. So for B it will be 2. For B it will be 2. So answer will be either A or B. C and D cannot be the answer. That is for sure. Right? Then for 33 7 days strength, that is 2/3. So it will be 3. For A it will be 3. So answer will be what? Bombay. Answer will be Bombay. Rest we can do. Just we can do. Agreed? For 53 half, that will be approximately 27. For 43 7 days, 2/3, that will be approximately 4. Right? Sure, Gajendra ji, sure. You can just comment me in my Telegram. You can comment me in my Telegram or you can personally message me. Right? Next question. Cement, aggregate and water are mainly used to prepare concrete. True or false? True or false? सैनी जी, जब खत्म हो जाए, चाहे 10 मिनट बाद हो जाए, अब चाहे 2 घंटा लग जाए, जब खत्म हो जाए। पॉइंट ये, जितने सवाल लाया हूं सब करवाने हैं। राइट? क्लियर? सो आंसर विल बी व्हाट? ट्रू। किसी से मिलने जाना है सैनी जी? किसी से मिलने जाना है? किसी खास से टाइम दिया हुआ है आज? राइट, चलिए। द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट कैन बी मेजर्ड एट 3 7 14 और 28 डेज स्ट्रेंथ। What is the answer? 26th. 26th. What is the answer? What is the answer? 26th. So what is the answer? 5. संतोष जी, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5। हाँ, सैंड भी एग्रीगेट में आ जाता है विनय जी। What is the answer? Answer is false. We only go for 28 days. We only go for 28 days. Right? Next. M20, M20. Amit ji, we measure it, but just only for our knowledge purpose. It is not recommended by code. It is not recommended by code. Right? What is the answer? C. Yes. Yes. Cover at least 50 bits means I am not getting you. Thank you. Thank you, Shubham ji. Thank you. See, I am nothing without you guys. Please let me know. Please let me know this one. अच्छा, रेशियो रिमेंबर करने का ट्रिक बता दूं. देखिए, यू कैन राइट M5, M10, M15, M20, M25, राइट. 5 के मल्टीपल्स में चलेगा. हमेशा स्ट्रेंथ 5 के मल्टीपल्स में होती है. स्ट्रेंथ इज ऑलवेज इन मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. इन बिटवीन वी हैव M7.5. This is exception. Exception. Now we start with 1:5:10. In 1:5:10, this is cement, this is sand, this is coarse aggregate. Please observe, coarse aggregate is twice of sand. Coarse aggregate is twice of sand. Now 1:4:8, 1:3:6, 1:2:4, 1:1.5:3, 1:1:2. Saurabh ji, done? Is it done, Saurabh ji? Sure. Next question. Many of you have answered this question already. Many of you have answered this question already. What is the answer? True, right? True. ब्लीडिंग में सिर्फ वाटर ऊपर आता है एंड सीमेंट एंड वाटर दोनों अपर आ जाता है. क्या फर्क है सर ब्लीडिंग एंड लेटेंस में? ओके ओके ओके, श्योर 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 प्रवीण जी, श्योर. सी विनय जी, जस्ट आंसर मी वन थिंग. इन ब्लीडिंग water will come up. So in case of concrete, water will be free water. क्या water free होगा? Definitely water will be with cement only, right? Definitely water will be with cement only. Yes, yes, Santosh ji, definitely I have 51 questions. I have 51 questions, right? So definitely water will be what? With cement only. So in case of bleeding and in case of latence, both will be come at the top surface. See, that phenomena is called as bleeding, and the outcome of that phenomena is called as latence. The layer which is being formed at the top, the layer which is formed at the top, right? After the water gets evaporated, the layer of cement paste is formed on the top. That is called as latence. Understood? Always water will come. Always water will come. गॉट द लॉजिक? बार्क, आशीष जी, बार्क हिंदी में तिवारी जी ऐसा है, अब चलिए हिंदी में सुन लीजिए। हिंदी में ऐसा है कि साहब कंक्रीट में जब ब्लीडिंग होगी, अब ब्लीडिंग यहां साहब खून खराबा नहीं है, पानी जब कंक्रीट से अलग हो जाता है तो उसे ब्लीडिंग कहा जाता है, ठीक है। और ब्लीडिंग जब भी होगी तो पानी अपने साथ सीमेंट भी लेके आएगा, पानी कभी अकेला नहीं आएगा। तो इस फिनोमेना को हम ब्लीडिंग कहते हैं, इस प्रोसेस का नाम ब्लीडिंग है। और जब पानी उड़ जाएगा, पीछे सीमेंट बैठ जाएगा, ठीक है, क्योंकि पानी तो उड़ गया, जो अपने साथ लाया था सीमेंट को, और पानी धोखेबाज निकला, पानी तो इवाबरेट होके निकल लिया अपने रास्ते, पीछे सीमेंट की एक लेयर छोड़ गया टॉप सरफेस पे। जो सीमेंट की लेयर छोड़ गया उसको अंग्रेजी में लेटेंस कहते हैं, उसको अंग्रेजी में लेटेंस कहते हैं। राइट अमित जी, not only capillary, there are many reasons for the bleeding. There are many reasons for the bleeding. There are many reasons for the bleeding. Yes. Yes. इतना उदास ना हो शांतनु जी, कभी आपको भी मिला होगा या मिलेगा आगे, चिंता ना करो। डोंट लाफ एट वाटर, यू विल, ठीक है, यू मस्ट हैव गॉट धोखा समटाइम्स इन योर लाइफ, और यू विल गेट समटाइम्स इन योर लाइफ, डेफिनेटली। गुड 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 अमित जी, थैंक यू। राइट, चलिए नेक्स्ट, सी वाटर। Sea water, what is the answer? Thank you प्रवीण जी, thank you। मिलेगा जरूर साहब, सबको मिलता है। Right answer is D, all options are correct. See, in sea water we have chloride, NaCl, and chlorides, these are accelerator. These are admixture, these are what? Accelerators. Right, these are accelerators. Agreed? Next question, this one, IS 456 permits use of sea water for PCC. See, sea water is not allowed for RCC. all of the सरकारी आंसर, मतलब सैनी जी, आई डिड नॉट गेट यू। हाँ साहब, मौर्य जी किया है साहब, अपने माता पिता से किया है, आप लोगों से किया है, अपनी पढ़ाई से किया है साहब, सब्जेक्ट से किया है, बहुतों से प्यार किया है, और कौन नहीं करता। राइट, IS 456 permits the use of sea water for PCC. It is true. It is true. It is true. Sani ji, it is not false, it is true. Next, this one, which type of vibrator is used for concreting thin section as well as for heavily reinforced section? Guys, this is thin section. Thank you Shubham ji, sure, definitely. Actually, I was too much loaded with the paid classes, that's why my frequency on YouTube was less. Because these couple of months, ठीक है, I'm very busy with the paid classes, that's why. थैंक यू मसूर जी, थैंक यू, धन्यवाद जी। बताइए क्या जवाब होगा? थिन सेक्शन, थिन सेक्शन सी, ए, डी, ए, डी। राहुल जी इज आस्किंग मी, आई एम आस्किंग यू, यू आर आस्किंग मी। इसी को साहब कलयुग बोलते हैं, घोर कलयुग। आई हैव आस्क्ड यू ए क्वेश्चन एंड यू आर आस्किंग मी। डोंट यू सी केबीसी? यू हैव टू टेल आंसर टू मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन। यू कैनॉट आस्क मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन, राइट? इसी को साहब कलयुग बोलते हैं। अब टीचर नहीं सवाल पूछ रहा है, शिष्य सवाल पूछ रहा है टीचर से। थैंक यू शांतनु जी। सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज द आंसर गाइस? जस्ट read the question. I again and again repeat that ijjat given to the question is directly proportional to ijjat received. Ijjat given to the question is directly proportional to the ijjat received. Guys, are you aware about this fact that vibrating needle and internal vibrator, both of them are same thing? In KBC you have lifeline. This is my KBC, right? Thank you Sani ji, thank you. This is my KBC, so there is no lifeline. In life you don't have options always, brother. अभी जीवन जियो, आगे पता चलेगा। हमेशा जीवन में ऑप्शन नहीं मिलेगा। चलिए, so both are same, so definitely A and B can never be the answer. A and B can never be the answer, right? Surface vibrator, see, surface vibrator is used in case of plane section, like plane, slab, basically rigid pavement, right? So basically what is the answer? Form vibrator, that is thin section, means some wall, thin wall, right? So what will be the answer? You can mail them, brother, mail them. Masoor ji, answer is D. अरे आशीष जी, काहे फंस रहे हो साहब? अपना काम करो और आगे बढ़ो। इतना दुखी नहीं हुआ जाता साहब। एंड डोंट बी सो जेंडर बायस्ड। लग रहा है दिल बहुत बुरी तरीके से टूटा है। चलिए, क्या लड़के धोखेबाज नहीं होते साहब? होते हैं, राइट? चलिए, नाउ व्हाट इज द आंसर ओवर हियर? हाँ, what is the answer over here? D. If compaction is not proper, it will be porous, non-homogeneous, the strength will be less, right? देखो साहब, इतना ध्यान रख लो, एक जस्ट लर्निंग दे रहा हूं आपको, ठीक है? एक लर्निंग दे रहा हूं। बेसिकली किसी इंडिविजुअल के अच्छे या बुरे होने से सारी सिमिलर चीजें अच्छी बुरी नहीं हो सकती। You cannot judge upon a single thing that everything will be good or bad, right? If you in your family are studying good, so it doesn't mean that your family is literated or educated. If you are somebody who is a spoiled brat, आप बिगड़े हुए इंसान हो, तो ऐसा नहीं कि आपकी पूरी फैमिली बिगड़ गई। So guys, don't be judgmental. That's why I always tell that ijjat given to the question is directly proportional to ijjat received. That not only applies in the examination, that is also learning for the life. It teaches you don't be judgmental. पहले से preconceived notion मत रखो. Don't have a preconceived notion about anything. Right? Watch or and observe everything with a fair eye. Chaliye, next. This one, the maturity of concrete depends on curing age and temperature of the concrete. Absolutely true. Next. Don't be judgmental. Right. This one. This is just an extension of the previous question. An extension of the previous question. So what is the answer over here? What is the answer over here? Shruti ji, we are on the next question. Answer will be A. Answer will be A. Yes, everyone. Good. Next. 34th. Which aggregate gives you the maximum strength? Which aggregate gives you the maximum strength? Guys, flaky and elongated aggregates are never responsible for good strength. See, at first we have round aggregate, and then we have angular aggregate, and then we have irregular aggregate, and at last we have cubical aggregate. This is the order of increase in strength. This is the order of increase in strength. So answer will be D, cubical. Answer will be D, cubical. Right? Porosity is minimum. Vinay ji, porosity is minimum. Because we are filling it by the cement paste. That's why. In irregular, it will be maximum. Next, bulking of sand. Bulking of sand. Yes, Vinay ji. These are different. Sir, more surface किसके लिए होता है and round के लिए sir? More surface is for more surface is for better strength, better bonding. In case of round, the surface area is less for the bonding. Surface area is less for the bonding. Voids are also less, so more cement paste is available. Agreed? Next. This is a fact, more in fine sand. More in fine sand. Next. This one. Increase in water content in concrete does not change its strength. True or false? True or false? True or false? That's not the case, Ashish ji. That's not the case. Increase in water content in the cement, in the concrete does not change its strength. Guys, it changes strength. False. See, water cement ratio. Water cement ratio. So water is more. Right? So this ratio will be more. Agreed? So basically strength will be what? Less. Strength will be less. Next, 37th. 37th. Strength of concrete decreases with the age. True or false? 37th. Strength of concrete decreases with the age. True or false? आशीष जी कभी अकेले में बात करेंगे, जब मूड में होऊंगा ना अलग, तब इस पे बात करेंगे। आज साहब मूड अलग है, राइट। किसी दिन कोई जनरल सेशन ले रहा होगा, मूड में होऊंगा अलग, तब बात करेंगे, राइट। डिक्रीजेस विद द एज, इट इज फॉल्स। इट इंक्रीजेस विद द एज एंड C2S is majorly responsible for this increase. C2S is majorly responsible for this increase, right? Right? But for cement it is opposite. No, Vinay ji. No. In 28 days, see, this is 7 days, 3 days, right? Basically, then there are values at 180 days also and 365 days. This is 1. This is 0.67 or 66. This is 0.5. This is 1.1 and this is approximately 1.2. I'm not sure of these values, but the values are very close. Agreed? So I am not sure of exact these are the values, but the values are very close. It can be 1.05 to 1.15. It can be in the range of 1.15 to 1.25. Agreed? Somewhere that. अरे सैनी जी ये सब बातें आज ना करो साहब, मैं बता रहा हूं ना, किसी दिन मूड में होंगे तब बताएंगे साहब। क्लियर? चलिए, ये सब बातें आज नहीं, आज पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। देखो साहब, मैं जब पढ़ता हूं तो पढ़ता हूं, जब मस्ती करता हूं तो केवल मस्ती करता हूं। मस्ती के समय पढ़ाई नहीं और पढ़ाई के समय मस्ती नहीं, राइट? लोग बर्बाद क्यों होते हैं साहब? पढ़ते समय सोचते हैं कि साहब अरे यार खेल लेते, मैच देख लेते, चाहे ये कर लेते, वो कर लेते, सो लेते, और सोते समय सोचते हैं साहब कि यार पढ़ा नहीं। सो बी इन प्रेजेंट। To have success in life, be in present. That is the only learning from my side. Never think about past and future, because past has gone. Future is not in your hand. So do it best right now. That's it. Clear? चलिए next. 10 centimeter cube are also used. Yes. 10 centimeter cube are also used. Yes. Compressive strength of concrete 10 centimeter cube can also be used. Yes. Answer is true. When the size of the aggregate is less than 19 mm. When the size of the aggregate is less than 19 mm. Yes. Next chapter जी. If they might have seen me in ऑफलाइन देन साहब इतना पूछते नहीं। ऑफलाइन में साहब सिनारियो ही अलग था। क्यों? नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जी, राइट? तब नहीं पूछते साहब, हिम्मत भी नहीं होती, बिकॉज इन ऑनलाइन आई थॉट नाउ आई विल बी मोर कूल एंड मोर चिल, दैट्स वाई। Agreed? Next question. I'm very strict in offline, guys. Very, very strict in offline. Now, what is this ratio? So, cylinder by cube, right? Cube strength is more than cylinder. Cube strength is more than cylinder. How much? Basically, cube strength is 1.25 times of cylinder strength approximately. So this ratio comes about nearly about 0.85. So answer will be C. Next. This one. Cyclopean aggregate, guys. It is a factual question. It is fact. There is no concept in this. It is fact. Straightforward fact. Straightforward fact. What is the answer? 75 mm. And this is approximately due to IS code. IS code 516 or somewhat like that, 506 or 516. I don't remember exactly. But answer is 110%, 75%, 75 mm. Don't worry, Shubham ji. I don't concentrate on anybody. I'm neither concentrating on you also. I'm not concentrating on anybody. I'm only concentrating on the question. That's it. I told you I always be in the present. And I'm not concentrating on the previous question or the next question. I'm only thinking about the present question. That's why I'm not committing any mistake. The concentration level has to be higher. Okay, it is 516, right? So I'll just change it. It is 516. 516. Brother, concentration is very much important in life. So what will be the answer? 600 micrometer. First one is 150 micrometer, then 300, then 600, then 1.18, then 2.36, 4.75, then 10 mm. All these are in mm. Then 20 mm, then 40 mm, then 80 mm, right? Micrometer. The number will be, the fineness modulus is in terms of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Agreed? Next. As per IS 456, the maximum height of placing the concrete is 125 centimeter. What will be the answer? Is it 125 centimeter really? No, it is 150 centimeter. विनय जी, मैंने गुस्सा करना बंद कर दिया है. ठीक है, चलो. Right? So it is 150 centimeter. It is 150 centimeter. So it is what? False. ठीक है. बट विनय जी, एक बात और कह रहा हूं. शेर बूढ़ा जरूर हुआ है, बट शिकार करना नहीं भूला है. राइट? Next. This one. as a natural material, timber is which one of the following? Very less question of timber and brick, guys. Very less question. Saniji, it is 1.5 meter. 150 mm is what? 150 mm is the cube. 150 mm is the cube. So be logical, little bit be logical. वो तो मैं हूं विनय जी, बट कहावत है भाई, कहावतें तो कहनी पड़ेंगी ना माहौल जमाने के लिए, राइट? जस्ट कहावत है कि मैंने इसलिए कहा क्योंकि मैंने ये कहा कि गुस्सा करना मैंने छोड़ दिया, तो ऐसा नहीं है, भूला नहीं हूं. थैंक यू शुभम जी, थैंक यू. डेफिनेटली आंसर इज एनिसोट्रोपिक. It means that in all the direction the property is different. In all the direction the property is different, right? Next, this one, very famous question, guys, very famous question. Very famous question. Forty-four. Yes, Saurabh ji, absolutely. Yes, all these are my golden statements. कि people will wear Levi's jeans, basically Raymond color plus Levi's. You see all these shirts and t-shirts, but they will buy pen of 2 rupees. They will buy pen of 2 rupees, right? So basically it is an investment. Studying is an investment. And basically when you invest into something, you have to believe it, you have to trust it, and then later on you can get the benefit out of that investment. So basically is minimum. What is being asked? That is minimum, right? So maximum is parallel to the grain. This is maximum and this is minimum. So answer is Bombay. Answer is Bombay. Yes, pen is more powerful, Babuji. Next, 46th. 46th. See, what is pith? The innermost portion of the tree, that is pith. So for A, it will be 1. Then heartwood. That basically, see, we have initially we have pith. This is pith, and after that we have annular rings around pith. These are called as heartwood. Then we have even more rings. These are called as sapwood. Outside sapwood we have cambium layer, thin layer, cambium layer, and outside it we have bark. We have bark. So this red one is pith, then heartwood, then sapwood, cambium layer, and then bark, right? And along with it we have rays coming out of center, right? These are called as medullary rays. Okay, sure, definitely, Babuji. I will rather take a class on it. It will be very tough for me to explain over here like this. It is defects of timber there are so many defects of timber. If any specific defect of timber you are asking, let me know in the comment box. I will answer. Because there are many defects of timber. So what is the answer over here, guys? What is the answer over here? Heartwood. This will be inner annular rings. For C it will be 2. For B it will be 3. For D it will be 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. Answer will be A. Okay, heart shake and star shake, definitely. You have the question. You have this question. Yes, Anirudh sir. I'm well. Guys, my friend and your lovely teacher, Anirudh sir, is over here. Please make a heart sign for him. Everyone, please make a heart sign for him. Lovely person. देखिए, what is star shake and what is basically heart shake? Please try to understand. Please try to understand. See, this is our cross section. In case of star shake, very good guys, very good. देखो, अनिरुद्ध सर ने एक दिल दिया और इतने सारे दिल उन पे कुर्बान हो गए. Right, let me correct it. Basically, in case of star shake, it is like this. These are wider at outside and thinner inside. अनिरुद्ध सर, अब इन दिलों को रखोगे कहां? मिल तो गया, अब ये भी बता दीजिए, where you will keep all these hearts. Right. And अब चलिए, I am explaining you one more thing. In case of heart shake, तो देखो साहब, हार्ट है, शेक है, दिल हिल गया. श्योर, बाय. ठीक है, तो नाउ हार्ट है, शेक है, दिल हिल गया, हार्ट गॉट शेक और हार्ट इज शेकन. राइट बाबूजी? इन दैट केस बेसिकली it will be more wider inside. Where is heart? Inside, right? Like this. Wider outside and narrower towards the pith. These are what? Star shake. A. Agreed? Clear? Sure, Vinay ji. Sure. Next. It's a factual question, guys. Factual question. What will be the answer? Bombay. L2, L1, M2, M1, H2, H1. Like this. This is the increasing order. Increasing order. Right? Bombay. Next. Babuji got the previous concept? Babuji got the previous concept? Guys, did you like the session, everyone? Did you like the session? Next, the minimum compressive strength of first class brick should be what? 10 Newton per mm square. Rather, it is 10.5 Newton per mm square. Okay, good, Babuji. Thank you. Next, guys, this is the second last question. So we have finished it earlier. For third class, it is even lesser, Masuji. It is for first class, it is 10.5. For second class, it is 7. And for third class, it is basically not defined in the book, but nearly about 5. 5. What is the answer over here? When first class brick? Answer is A. Answer is A. For first class, second class, it is 12 to 15%. It is 15 to 20%. Right? Clear? Agreed, everyone? Next, this one, the last question, guys. The last question for today. Abhishek ji, good evening. Good evening, brother. नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है कि ब्रिक नहीं बोलते, नहीं होना चाहिए, ये कहना ज्यादा अच्छा होगा. Yes, Praveen ji, what I need to explain? First of all, let me know what is the answer. Answer is A. Answer is A. Answer is A. Praveen ji, what I need to explain? See, both of them are being treated as good brick. Both of them are being treated as good brick. Right, answer is A. So that's all for today, guys. मसूर जी, पढ़ाई करो और कुछ नहीं करना है, बस केवल और केवल दोस्त एक ही काम करो, पढ़ाई करो. Yes, Shantanu ji, yes, yesterday Ansari sir has taken the class and day before yesterday Krishna sir has taken the class. So please see those session also. Yes, definitely tomorrow class is there. It's a complete series. It's a complete package. Tips for MPPSC AE. Krishna Tiwari ji, please join me tomorrow at 6:30 PM. I'll give you the tips for it. Right? So guys, thank you very much. That's all for today. Thank you very much guys. Love you all. Love you all. So guys, do join us, myself, Ansari sir and Krishna sir, tomorrow at the same time, same place, that is 3:30 p.m. 3:30 p.m. This time is fixed for you guys, and definitely we'll bring something for you, and that will be basically, it will be full of enlightenment, it will be full of knowledge. Definitely Harshita ji, definitely. Yes, my session will be there tomorrow at 6:30 I guess, but definitely do attend the class of tomorrow. I guess Krishna sir is taking or Ansari sir is taking. I have just missed the schedule, that's why. Thank you very much guys, thank you very much. That's all for today. Thank you guys, love you all. I'm signing off. Have a good day guys, have a good day. Thank you very much.